The solo stove is a game changer for anyone who loves campfires but hates the smoke and hassle. Forget the struggle of building a fire with wet wood or constantly moving to avoid the smoke. The solo stove uses a clever double wall design that creates a super efficient burn. This means hotter flames with barely any smoke and almost no leftover ash. It's perfect for roasting marshmallows, cooking your favorite camp meals, or just sitting back and enjoying the cozy glow. Setup is quick, and you'll have a clean burning fire in no time. Compact and easy to carry, the solo stove is ideal for camping trips, backyard gatherings, or beach nights. It gives you all the warmth and charm of a traditional campfire without the mess. For campers who want a simple, smoke-free, and eco-friendly fire experience, the solo stove is a must-have. The Happier Camper HC1 is a smart and stylish choice for anyone who loves weekend trips and outdoor adventures. This tiny but mighty camper is perfect for spontaneous getaways. Its unique modular design lets you customize the inside however you like. Need a comfy bed? A mini kitchen? Extra storage? You can set it up to fit your needs in minutes. The HC1 is also super lightweight, so you can tow it with almost any car, no big truck required. It's easy to use, easy to move, and built for fun on the road. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just a quiet spot under the stars, the Happier Camper HC1 gives you the freedom to travel your way, with comfort and style. The Terra Wind Amphibious RV is perfect for adventurers who want to explore both land and water without limits. It's not just a regular camper, it's a powerful RV that turns into a boat. You can drive through rough mountain roads and then cruise straight into a lake, all in the same vehicle. No need to stop or switch rides. Thanks to its all-wheel drive and built-in retractable pontoons, the Terra Wind can handle tough trails and smooth sailing with ease. Imagine parking your RV on a quiet island you reached by simply driving across the water. No boats needed. It's ideal for anyone who loves the freedom to go anywhere, anytime. Whether you're camping by a mountain or floating on a lake, the Terra Wind makes every trip more exciting. With this amphibious RV, the adventure never has to stop. The GoSunFlow is a great choice for eco-conscious campers who want to cook outdoors without using gas, fire, or electricity. This smart solar cooker runs entirely on sunlight. It uses parabolic solar technology to heat up quickly and cook your food efficiently. No smoke, no mess, and no fuel needed. It's lightweight, compact, and super easy to set up. Just unfold it, point it at the sun, and you're ready to cook. Whether you're boiling water, heating soup, or making a full meal, the GoSunFlow gets the job done with clean, renewable energy. Perfect for hiking, camping, or off-grid adventures, it lets you enjoy tasty meals while staying kind to the planet. With the GoSunFlow, you can cook anywhere the sun shines. Simple, sustainable, and totally fuel-free. Animaka is a smart and portable hammock stand that lets you relax anywhere. No trees, poles, or anchors needed. Made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum, it can support up to 550 pounds, so it's tough enough for all hammock lovers. Despite its strength, it's lightweight and super easy to carry. Thanks to its clever snap-fold design, Animaka sets up in just 3 seconds. Simply unfold it, stretch out the legs, and snap it into place. No tools or extra parts required. When you're done relaxing, it folds down into a compact size that fits easily in your car, backpack, or storage space. Whether you're out camping, spending the day at the beach, hiking, or just hanging out in your backyard, Animaka gives you the freedom to set up your hammock anywhere you like. It's perfect for adventurers, travelers, or anyone who loves relaxing under the open sky. With Animaka, you don't need to look for the perfect trees. You bring your own hammock spot wherever you go. The Coleman Sundome tent is a great choice for campers looking for a simple, reliable, and budget-friendly shelter. Designed for easy setup, it's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to avoid the hassle of complicated tents. It comfortably fits 2 to 4 people, giving you enough space to sleep and relax on your outdoor adventures. Thanks to Coleman's WeatherTech system, the tent keeps you dry even in rainy weather. It features a bathtub-style floor and inverted seams to block water from getting in. Plus, with 2 large windows and a ground vent, it offers great airflow to keep the inside cool and fresh. Made from durable polyester, the Sun Dome is tough enough for regular use and comes with a 1-year warranty for added confidence. While it's not the lightest tent for long backpacking trips, it's a perfect fit for car camping, weekend getaways, and family outings. If you're looking for a weather-resistant, easy-to-use tent without spending too much, the Coleman Sun Dome delivers solid performance at a great value. Sky Camp 3.0 is a roomy rooftop tent made for up to 4 people, perfect for families or friends who love camping in comfort. It's the newest model in the popular Sky Camp series and brings some great upgrades. Inside, there's a queen-size mattress, 210 by 196 centimeters, giving everyone plenty of space to stretch out and relax after a long day outdoors. Built to handle all kinds of weather, the tent uses strong polycotton canvas with a protective PU coating. The hard shell is made from tough ABS plastic, keeping the tent safe and secure on top of your vehicle. One of the best things about the Sky Camp 3.0 is how easy it is to set up and take down. In just minutes, you'll be ready to relax under the stars or pack up and hit the road. Whether you're going on a weekend road trip or a long overlanding adventure, the Sky Camp 3.0 gives you a cozy, weatherproof shelter wherever you go. It's a top pick for campers who want extra space, quick setup, and strong materials, all in one sleek rooftop tent. Sinhanker is a smart and portable lighting device designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It was fully funded on Kickstarter in April 2023 and combines the functions of a flashlight and a lantern in one compact gadget. With its telescopic design, Sinhanker easily transforms from a small 11.5 centimeters torch into a bright 39 centimeter lantern. This makes it perfect for camping, hiking, working in dark spaces, or handling power outages at home. It's also IPX5 waterproof, so it can handle splashes and rain without any issues. And here's the bonus. It works as a power bank too. You can charge your phone or other small devices on the go, making it super convenient for travel and emergencies. The built-in battery offers up to 50 hours of light on the lowest setting, giving you reliable brightness whenever you need it. Whether you're in the great outdoors or just need a backup light at home, Sinhanker is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-carry solution. It's now available on the official Sinhanker website. 3 by 6 meter tiny house, cozy, bright, and simply beautiful. The 3 by 6 meter tiny house proves that living small can be stylish and comfortable. Huge floor-to-ceiling windows let in tons of natural light, making the space feel bright and connected to nature. Inside, the clever one-bedroom design includes a cozy bed with soft, warm lighting, a modern kitchenette, and a small but fully working bathroom. The open living area mixes comfy furniture with clean house simple lines, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're living alone, as a couple, or need a guest house, this tiny home fits perfectly. Costing between $8,000 and $12,000, it's more than just a way to save space. It's a fresh way to live better with less, focusing on comfort, light, and smart design. Lithi E-Wagon W1 Pro, your ultimate outdoor companion. The Lithi E-Wagon W1 Pro isn't your average wagon. Thanks to its powerful 500-watt electric motor, it can easily glide over any terrain without you having to push hard. Whether you're camping, gardening, shopping, or moving heavy stuff, this wagon makes the job way easier. It's big and sturdy, with a 200-liter storage space that can carry up to 132 pounds. Plus, its drop-down tailgate makes loading and unloading super simple. When you're done, the W1 Pro folds up quickly so it fits right in your car trunk, perfect for taking it anywhere. It even includes a foldable egg roll table that clips onto the wagon, giving you extra space for whatever you need. Available on Amazon for just $449.99, the Lithi E-Wagon W1 Pro is a smart, powerful helper that's ready for all your outdoor adventures. EcoFlow Glacier, more than just a cooler. The EcoFlow Glacier is not your average cooler. It's a smart, portable powerhouse made for camping, road trips, and off-grid living. With 2 separate cooling zones, you can keep drinks cold on one side and freeze food on the other. You can even set the temperature from 10 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius. Need ice on the go? The Glacier makes 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. It also has a built-in 100-watt USB-C port, so you can charge your phone or other devices wherever you are. With a 38-liter capacity, it fits up to 60 cans. Moving it is easy thanks to removable wheels and a pull handle. You can control everything through the EcoFlow app using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It runs up to 40 hours on a plug-in battery, and you can recharge it with solar panels in just a little over 2 hours. It also features vacuum insulation panels and an eco mode to save energy. At $999, the EcoFlow Glacier is a smart investment for anyone who loves the outdoors. Popular Mechanics even called it the greatest portable gadget, a cabin that adapts to you. Cabin Anna is more than just a place to sleep. It's a unique experience that moves with you. Thanks to its sliding wooden shell, the cabin can open up completely to nature or close off for privacy and warmth. It's like having a cabin that changes with your mood and the seasons. Inside, the layout is simple and peaceful. A cozy sleeping area sits in the center, surrounded by smart spaces, like a hidden kitchen and a neatly tucked away bathroom. Large glass panels let in natural light and stunning views, making you feel connected to the outdoors even when you're inside. Designed in the Netherlands, Cabin Anna is perfect for people who love nature, quiet retreats, or a slower way of living, with a modern touch. At around $95,000, you're not just buying a cabin, you're choosing a flexible, nature-inspired lifestyle that's both beautiful and practical. Xenonest. Say hello to the future of camping with the Xenonest, a cutting-edge, 2-story inflatable tent that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Designed by a Korean company, this high-tech tent inflates in just 4 minutes and weighs only 50 pounds, making it easy to carry and set up anywhere. Despite its lightweight design, it offers a spacious and stylish escape with 3 separate zones spread across 2 floors. Perfect for families, groups, or anyone who wants comfort while enjoying the outdoors. Built with a durable air-beam frame, it can withstand strong winds up to 20 meters per second, keeping you safe and cozy in changing weather. Whether you're camping in the mountains, near the beach, or simply glamping in your backyard, Xenonest transforms any spot into a cool and comfortable futuristic base. The Z Lounger is a game-changer when it comes to outdoor seating. Its clever S-shaped design, inspired by the famous LC4 recliner, supports your body perfectly, letting you relax comfortably for hours. Built with tough, military-grade materials, this inflatable chair is super durable. It can handle pet claws, resist damage from strong sunlight, and even survive the pressure of a 12-ton bulldozer. But don't let that fool you. It's surprisingly lightweight, weighing less than 5 kilograms, and packs down to about the size of a yoga mat, making it super easy to take with you anywhere. For around $226, the Z Lounger comes ready with a manual pump, a carrying strap, sand stakes, and other accessories to make setup quick and simple. Whether you're roughing it on a camping trip or just relaxing in your backyard, the Z Lounger delivers unbeatable comfort and durability wherever you go. It's the perfect chair for anyone who loves being outdoors without sacrificing ease and support. The X-Trek V2 Evolution by Tactical 13 is a must-have for anyone who loves long hikes. Weighing just 2 kilograms, this lightweight hiking cart hooks right onto your backpack and takes up to 90% of the weight off your back, making your journey much easier on your body. It adjusts to fit backpacks between 30 and 70 liters, and is made from tough military-grade materials like carbon fiber and aluminum for lasting durability. The strong 285mm wheels are puncture-proof and have sealed bearings, so they roll smoothly no matter how rough the trail. Costing about $430, the X-Trek V2 comes with handy extras like a hands-free kit, a protective flap for your bag, and reinforced straps to keep everything secure. What's even cooler is that it's modular. You can add extra kits to attach it to your bike or kayak, making it super flexible for all kinds of outdoor adventures. Whether hiking, biking, or paddling, the X-Trek V2 makes carrying your gear easier and more comfortable. The Lithely eWagon W1 Pro is a game-changing electric utility wagon perfect for home and outdoor use. This innovative wagon is powered by a strong rechargeable battery, making it an eco-friendly option for transporting heavy loads over different terrains. Designed with a spacious cargo bed, the eWagon W1 Pro is ideal for a variety of activities, from gardening and camping to DIY projects. It offers multiple speed settings, allowing you to tackle any task with ease. The wagon's durable construction ensures it can handle tough jobs, while its user-friendly features like a foldable handle and smooth maneuverability make it easy to use. Whether you're hauling tools for a project or carrying supplies for a day out, the Lithely eWagon W1 Pro combines practicality with electric efficiency. It not only simplifies everyday tasks, but also helps reduce your environmental impact. With this wagon by your side, you'll enjoy a versatile and convenient solution for all your hauling needs, making outdoor activities and chores much more enjoyable.